Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the text size on Google Chrome using your mobile device. If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny text or feeling like the words on your screen are just a bit too large, don't worry, this simple feature lets you adjust everything to your liking in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen or any web page, it doesn't matter which one. What's important is that you're inside the Chrome browser. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This is the menu button where all of Chrome's main settings are located. Once the menu appears, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Tap it to open the accessibility options. This is where Chrome keeps features designed to make browsing easier and more comfortable. Next, you'll see a slider labeled Text Scaling. This slider controls the overall text size you'll see when browsing websites. Move the slider to the right if you want the text to appear larger, or slide it to the left to make it smaller. As you adjust it, Chrome will usually show you a preview so you can instantly see the difference. Once you've got the text size exactly where you want it, you don't need to hit save or confirm anything. Chrome will automatically remember your preference right away.